Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, gearing up for futuristic infantry combat vehicles. The Indian Army is poised to take a significant step towards modernization with the upcoming issuance of a request for proposal for over 1750 futuristic infantry combat vehicles later this year. This follows a request for information issued in June 2021 outlining the requirements for these indigenously developed armored vehicles. The FICV program approved by the DAC in 2023 aims to replace the aging fleet of Soviet-era BMP-1 and BMP-2 infantry combat vehicles. Next, Dhanush howitzer deliveries to Indian Army. Advanced Weapon Equipment India Limited is set to significantly ramp up production and delivery of the indigenously developed Dhanush 155 mm 45 caliber howitzer to the Indian Army. As part of a larger 114 gun order, the company is committed to handing over an additional 48 Dhanush guns by the end of March 2025. Next, work on lighter man-portable air defense system, that is MPDMS. DRDO is making strides to bolster the country's air defense capabilities, while the development of the Vishorad's very short-range air defense system progresses. DRDO has begun assembling the MPDMS, a more portable variant. Next, LCA image goes viral as DRDO's RCS measurement facility gains attention. A recently viral image on social media showcases the indigenously developed light combat aircraft mounted on a rotating platform at DRDO's open range RCS measurement facility situated in Dundigal. Orange serves as a crucial testing facility for both existing defense platforms employed by the Indian Armed Forces and those futuristic weapon systems currently under development by DRDO. Next, vehicle mounted counter drone system. Apollo Microsystem, a rising star in the aerospace and defense sector, has secured a prestigious contract from the Indian Army. The company was selected based on its capabilities for a Make-2 project under the Defense Acquisition Program 2022. This project involves the procurement of a vehicle-mounted counter-swarm drone system version 1. In a press release, Apollo Microsystem described the project as very prestigious and their first Make-2 initiative. Next, the race for technological supremacy. The battlefield of the future will be dominated by those who can best harness technology. This reality is driving a global arms race, with countries like China and India vying for an edge. China took a significant step by dissolving its Strategic Support Force and creating 3 independent branches: the Aerospace Force, Cyberspace Force, and Information Support Force. Analysts offer several explanations for the move, but one key factor appears to be adaptability. India, recognizing the critical role of technology, has declared 2024 its technology absorption year. This initiative highlights India's commitment to integrating advanced tools like exoskeletons, drones, and unmanned systems. Trials with hypersonic weapons and quantum technologies are also underway. However, China currently appears to hold the lead in this technological arms race. Next, Indux X Investor Summit. The United States and India are joining forces to hold a critical summit focused on propelling defense innovation. The Indus X Investor Summit, scheduled for September in Silicon Valley, will bring together stakeholders to leverage private capital and accelerate advancement in the defense sector. Thank you.